couldn't eat her greens one day. Pushed the broccoli far away. Teddy said, just try one tiny bite. Veggies make you strong and full of might. Crunch, crunch, crunch your carrots. Munch, munch, munch your peas. Crunch, crunch, crunch your broccoli. Eat your veggies, please. Kitten tried the carrot, oh so sweet. Panda loved the corn, such a treat. Owl ate the spinach, feeling strong. Teddy finished everything all along. Crunch, munch, crunch, munch. Veggies make you great.